All right, good morning, everyone. So today we are looking at our instruments to spot an opportunity for us to trade. So we are going to analyze all of them and see what the market have for us today. All right, so we'll start from crash 300, okay? And from the structure here, we discovered that the market is willing to go a little bit down, okay? Because for this down that happened, the market later pushed up, okay? Did a corrective structure up, another down. These are corrective structures. So obviously at any of this level, we're expecting a last down. Okay, that might be the final down for us, okay? It might be somewhere here or even at this place, okay? If we got any, but we are expecting another down on a crash 300, okay? That will help us to identify. If this market went up again, there will be an counter trend line point here, something like this. Once it breaks it, we'll know that the market is willing to go down. So the last down is expected. So that is what we're going to trade for today, okay? And once you're able to capture it, we will make a good profit from there, okay? So for crash 300, we're expecting a last down. That is our target for today, okay? It can happen here or any of these zones. The market already has been given a rejection, but I believe it's still gonna go a little bit up before it will start going down. But the final confirmation for it is when you break this counter trend line. After going up, break this counter trend line, then you know that this has been made a mono wave. The market to continue to do one more down. After that, we'll option out, okay? Then on Boom 500, obviously we are expecting market to continue an up high because this market, if we take it to 4 hours, you will see clear what I'm trying to explain. This market has used, it's already is consolidating, and we are looking for this high. Okay, for this high, we're expecting another high. So we need this high to go up and break the high. Okay, this liquidity, clear this liquidity up, then it may have the right to come down or even consolidate to continue going up. So this up, we're still expecting it to still go more high, okay? But what do we need to see? The market is doing some consolidation, corrective structure already. On the 15 minutes, we can see it as an impulse correction, impulse, okay? But we need to see the market give us a significant reversal, okay? To go up, right? So we can see something like this. The market has taken a nap, okay? Something like this, okay? Broken a counter trend line. So this is the first wave, first impulse against the trend. So the market can do something like this, okay? After that, they push a little more down, okay? Then the market can continue up again to break that high. So for that high, we need to see a counter trend line like this, okay, broken for the market to continue going up, okay? We need to see another high comes up here, especially on the bigger time frame, okay? But on this, we are anticipating we're anticipating it to be a corrective structure for another high to happen. So what are we trading? Already I am on our opinion that we should allow this market to reverse. If we reverse a corrective structure, then we can go another down. Okay, after that we option out because the market needs to go another high. Okay, so I don't expect you to start selling here. It's very, very bad. Okay, even if you continue going, don't sell. I expect the market to do a corrective structure backward, then you can target another sell. For this down, after a corrective structure, that should be another down. So this is a pending trade, okay? You can watch out for it, for structure to appear before you enter. It's not like crash 300, okay? That is appearing to get to the height. Then you can start selling. Then crash 1000, okay? Crash 1000 broke this low. After clearing this high, you broke this low. If you can see it very well, you have broken this low with a speed, okay? Now it's giving us a corrective structure pattern. So what I'm expecting is another for this up down. So if this market can possibly come up like this, okay? If you come up like this, especially somewhere here, okay, I will be targeting another down. So I need to see something like this, okay? Something like this, okay? If I can be able to see something like this, fine, I'll be targeting another down, okay? But nevertheless, even if the market If it didn't happen to do running flat or expanding flat, expanding flat, it can also do a running flat, which means that from here, it can spike from here. You can do a little wave structure. So if I see a correct structure, something like this, okay? If I see something like this, I will draw my counter trend line and take it to go the more down, okay? So because this will form as a running flat, then for another down. So we're targeting crash 1000 for another down, okay, to throw up. But that will be in this wave around this area. You can target it around this area. I can put my Fibonacci retracement to see if it's going to get to a good level for me. Something like this, I can target somewhere here or here. Once you get there, I can target the market to reverse, okay? Or if you break this high, there are ranges, there are zones here that you can use. So it will be expanding flat, then for another down. Okay, so there's opportunity for us to trade crash 1000 more down before the up continue again. All right, so boom 300. Boom 300 is a nice and sharp one. It has started picking, okay? Remember, this up may be the last up, okay, and it starts coming more down, okay? So we see a corrective structure. This is a down, okay? This is two wave. This is the first wave, this is second wave. So obviously, this is the third wave, okay? It might be a running flat because that is what I'm seeing here. This has broken this, making this a mono wave. So this is another for this down that is there. So this packet can consistently do a nice up push, okay? This is what I'm expecting from this. And immediately you break this counter trend line. If you break this counter trend line, that means it's good to go. So I spotted this zone, okay? And immediately come on it, you see a spike up, okay? So already we are expecting this market to go more. If you have not entered it, try and enter it. Put your stop loss below here and enter this market to ride it up. And once you break this counter trend line, more confidence that is going to go more up, okay? So remember how to trade a counter trend line. This is the first trade. So if you break this counter trend line and retrace more and want to go up again, you can enter another one, the second trade to ride it up, okay? Because we're expecting the market to go up. So this is the sharp one, okay? And it can be the trade of the day. So now we have boom 500. The 500 is setting up a structure. So we need to align with the structure and see what the market is doing. This is a sharp down, okay? A corrective structure needed to form here. Either this market forms something like this, okay? This is an impulse correction, okay? And it forms something like this. Then we tick up for another buy, okay? This is another buy. So for this, there should be another buy expectation, okay? So what I need to do is to look for a zone somewhere here, okay? I'm going to look for a zone somewhere here to see if this market can be targeted for a buy. Okay, so now if there is a zone here, that will be fine. This one have been tested before and the market respected it, okay? So let's see on 30 minutes if we have any zone around here. On 30 minutes. Okay, currently there is a zone around here on 30 minutes. So let me take it. Then this is the zone. Okay, so this is the zone on 30 minutes. So the market happens to enter this zone. Possibility for it to spike again is possible. So once you do that spike again and do something like a running flat, okay, that up can break this structure that is forming already. Once you break it, you can do a regular flat by going up and use this one to go down, or it can do a running flat, okay, and continue more down. Okay, so let's watch out for this, but we'll be expecting a spike at this area. That is boom 500. Okay, you can put a pending order around that area. Then boom 1000. 1000 for this down, we need this market to come down to this zone. Okay, I got this zone for one hour time frame. So this first impulse corrective structure, another down. If I see this market down at here, that is the three wave, I will target the market for a buy. If you break this one, I'll target it another one at this level. I need to see that spike, another last move of that spike, upward move. Then I will option up. Okay, these are the things I'm expecting on the boom 1000 and other currency pairs. Then volatility 25 is another sharp market that I am monitoring. Okay, if volatility 25, I have a counter trend line here. If I zoom it down, you can see clearly what I am spotting. Okay, this market has thrown the last down. Okay, if you break this counter trend line upward, you break this counter trend line up, that means there's tendency for the market to continue going up. So I don't want to enter it now because obviously it might come and break this counter trend line and throw more down. So I don't want to enter it. But if I see it break this counter trend line, obviously I will go for a sell. Okay, if I see it broke this counter trend line, I will go for sell, the last low. So once I get the last low, I will draw my counter trend line with this one, then target another up move. That is for boom 25. Okay. Then we have, volatility 25, sorry. So we have volatility 50, okay? On the volatility 50, the market is on uptrend. So obviously this is a corrective structure. So the market is moving up. You can see it here. It's an uptrend. So this impulse correction, impulse. So obviously the market is correcting at this level. This is not a fast move, okay? This is a corrective move. So now what we are seeing is an impulse, the first wave against the trend, the first impulsive wave against the trend. This is something like this, okay? With a three-wave structure on its own degree. Now it's forming a corrective structure. These are the corrective structure. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we are seeing this as a corrective structure. So even if this market happens to push a little bit up, it's going to drop down. Okay, so I am expecting this market to finish down. Okay, what am I expecting? Another down. I'm expecting another down. So once another down is done, this down is what I want to take. Once I'm done with it, I will option out and start looking for a way to do what? To buy up, because the market needs to do what? To go up again. So these are the things we are expecting. We have a lot of opportunities to trade the market today. So let's enjoy them and ride the market, okay? So these are the things we're expecting to see. Keep your eyes on these structures and you will make a good money. Yesterday, we make a wonderful profit on our trade. Remember, we got you. Wave is the power. So let's trade and do what? And make good profit. Thank you very much and have a blessed and successful and profitable day.